In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to present metrics using Dashboard in Smartsheet. Data Overview 2026. We'll walk through opening Smartsheet, navigating to the right place, and creating a new dashboard that's ready to display your most important metrics clearly and professionally. Start by opening your web browser and going to smartsheet.com. Using a modern, up-to-date browser will give you the smoothest experience. If you'll be coming back often, it's a good idea to bookmark the site so it's only a click away next time. Sign into your Smartsheet account. Click Sign In, choose your method, enter your credentials, and you're in. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow the prompt and continue. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your home area. This is your launchpad for everything in Smartsheet. On the left, there's a sidebar that helps you move around. You'll see options like Home, Browse, and Workspaces, along with the Create button. In the main area, you'll typically see your recent items and quick ways to get started. Keep an eye on this space. It's a convenient way to jump back into your current projects. On the left sidebar, click Create. This opens the creation panel where Smartsheet offers different ways to begin. You can start with a blank item, use a template, or pick from curated starting points designed to speed up common workflows. Scroll down until you find the new workspace starting point. A workspace is like a container for related items, sheets, reports, and dashboards, so your data sources and your visualizations can live together. Organizing your dashboards in a dedicated workspace helps with access control and keeps all the supporting assets in one place, which is especially helpful when you're reporting on a shared set of metrics. Here, you'll see multiple starting points for different views. Think of these as shortcuts for the types of artifacts you can create, such as sheets for raw data, reports for filtered views, and dashboards for visual summaries. Reviewing these options briefly helps you choose the best format for how you want to present information. Click Dashboard. Smartsheet will generate a new, blank dashboard canvas, typically prompting you to name it and choose where to save it. This canvas is the hub for presenting your metrics. It's designed for clarity. You can later add charts to visualize trends, metric tiles to highlight key numbers, rich text to provide context, and shortcuts to guide viewers to underlying sheets or reports. As you plan your dashboard, think about the audience and the story you want to tell. What should someone understand in the first 10 seconds? Aim for a clear title, logical grouping of widgets, and consistent formatting so your data speaks for itself. And that's all you need to create a dashboard starting point in Smartsheet for your Data Overview 2026.